Okay, y'all, so I just made it to the feed store. Let's go in and see if they got any mash for these girls. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, and I just want to make sure I have what I need for them. We are good. We have heat, we have food, we have water, all those good things. So let's go in and check the store out. Okay, so this is what I got. This right here was $9. This size bag. Still got my soil in here from the other day. Oh, thank you. All right, you have a blessed day. Those big bags of mash are only $12. You buy chicken feed at Tractor Supply or somewhere else, it costs more than that, y'all. And that's that's like, you know, no additives to it right there. I think that's probably why my chickens are still laying right now. They did do a little slack up, but I think they slacked up because one time they weren't open and I ended up having to use Tractor Supply feed. So I was using that feed until it ran out and went back to my mash, of course, and they started back laying eggs. So I don't know. I'm just saying, I'm thinking that, you know, those additives to not just Tractor Supply stuff, but any kind of chicken feed that's not all natural is going to mess up your chickens. And what your chickens eat, you eat, right? Eventually, because you're eating the eggs and then you're eating the chicken.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were too for.
So y'all, I did clean up in here, but I'm gonna clean up in here again. It just hit me because I got some things I need to seed up, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to get me a table, put it in here, and start my seeds out here, like the ones that are cold hardy and don't mind, which I have outlets I can plug up to. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do in here for the spring. Oh, down to the very end, y'all. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this up for them. One, what that is. I'm gonna have to get me another fillet fish knife. This one ain't gonna work for me when I go fishing. 7 eggs. Yeah, they started back producing a lot. I stopped using that Tractor Supply and went back to my mash because I ran out of the mash from my feed store. Had to use Tractor Supply, and then they just kind of stopped. So yeah, that's fine. All right. So it's the next day. I guess it's turning into a vlog for my gardening channel. It's the next day. It's Wednesday. The snow is due to come in today in a matter of hours. And I'm out here not grocery shopping, but going to buy some soil. You can't make this up, but the feeling is amazing because if I think back to 2020, when all this stuff happened with the pandemic, or anytime a snowstorm was coming, I was one of those rushing out to the store. And now I feel like my home is prepared enough as much as I can get it. You know, you're not going to have every single thing for sure, but I don't need to rush out to the store to buy any food is what I'm saying. So that's a really good feeling. I hope that you guys will have that same feeling by, you know, gardening and growing your own food and storing it up. You know, you can freeze dry your vegetables. You can freeze them regular in a freezer, cut them up, freeze them, dehydrate them. You can can them. So many ways you can store food on your shelves to not have that feeling of anxiety every time something's happening that you got to run out and, oh, what if I can't find this? So keep preparing as much as you possibly can. Yes, this is a gardening channel. This is a prepping channel. Well, preparedness channel. And also a little bit of news you can use every now and then. But I put all of my news over on Tommy Bites 2.0. So please go over there and subscribe to that channel and help me get to 1,000 subscribers, you guys. It would mean so much to me. But I'm about to go into Rural Kings because I looked up this morning, where can I find the soil that I'm looking for? Because these other big box stores, they don't carry it. They carry Miracle Grow and stuff like that, but they don't carry the one that I really want. So I saw that this store had it. We're going to go in and see if they have it. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now. If they have it, when I get in there, you'll see what it is. Okay, so we're going to look around a little bit, but we got to go home because I got some pepper plants that I need to pot up, but I'll probably end up potting them up in a different video because this one's turning out to be a doggone garden vlog. So this is not even my vlogging channel, but it is today. So please hit the like button, share the video out, leave comments down below. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments. And good morning, how are you doing? If you are new to the channel, my name is Tommy, and this is my gardening, homesteading, everything channel pretty much. So I invite you to please consider to subscribe to the channel, help the channel grow. Welcome into all of the new subscribers. I thank you for deciding to subscribe to the channel. I hope that I can bring you news that you can use, information that can help you in your gardening journey, because I don't know everything. I hope that you can help me as well in the comments. Tips and ideas are always helpful, you know, and if I can do it, then I will. If it doesn't work for my situation, then I won't, but I do appreciate it. So let's go into the store. So I'm gonna have to grab a cart, one of these. I'm down to only one of these, and I know that I like to keep fresh pine shavings with my girls when it's wet weather or anything like that. And I only have one left because I just put one in there and in their nesting box as well. So yeah. Things do go down in price, but y'all, until they do, keep stocking up. Okay, so in Rural Kings, if you've never been here, they have food in here as well. Like they have like all these different popcorn here. And did you know that you can actually take a popcorn seed and grow it, like kernel, and actually grow it? You can. I did it when I first started gardening. I was trying new things and stuff. And I was like, I wonder if you could do this. But you actually can do it. Who knew? I didn't know. I was just learning. And they have these right here and here. These are reusable. I have this size right here at home, and I just pop my popcorn, watch a couple of my favorite YouTubers, and maybe a Netflix or something. But for $2.99, I think that's cheaper than the regular stores, if I'm not mistaken. You can grab your water in here. They have water in here for $3.49 for 24, and then $2.89 snacks. They have things for your dogs, your farm animals as well. They even have canning jars in here, y'all. And see, these are 15, the smaller ones here. The bigger ones are all gone. But I did see Walmart had some the other day. And if you're a person who like those old school candies and you can't find them, Rural Kings has them. They have these. I'm not getting any, y'all. Look at these here. I remember these. These are the little chews. They have these little green mints here. A bag of chewy caramel mix. So it has some Tootsie Rolls and stuff in there as well. Oh, look at these. My mom used to get these all the time when I was little. I can't help myself. This made me think of my mom. Oh, I end up over here in the dog section because Gracie got hold of her collar and she chewed it up. And I'm thinking this large one will be for her because they have enough holes in them, hopefully, that it will be for her. And I like the fact that this material right here is really soft, so I don't think it would hurt her at all. So I'm gonna get this collar for her, and also gonna get her. You taking my buggy?
I'm really trying not to. Just everything keeps grabbing.
It's okay.
Sorry about that, dear.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna get this collar right here, and I'm gonna get her probably another ball because she chewed up the last one. They have lots of dog food, dog beds, etc. I know I have a hat on, y'all, but I need another hat. I used to have a black cowgirl hat. Y'all ain't know I was that country, did you? I try to find a picture of me in it. When I used to sing back in the day, I would wear that hat when I would sing. These aren't bad hats. $32. So this rabbit or multiple guinea pig starter kit, I have seen people use these for their small quail, and I have a cage, but I don't know if this might be better. So I got some chicks in. They've been had chicks in though. Got some over here as well. I think these are ducks. Let's see if I can get a shot of the ducks. If you're wanting rabbits, they do have rabbits in here for sale. They don't have any in here right now, but the does are $24.99 and the bucks are $24.99. So they also have free popcorn, but they have big bags in here for $1. But if you fix your own from right there, you can get it for free. I got some shirts. They had some faith-based shirts that I got. Walk by faith, not by sight. This Mama prays. Faith can move mountains. And this one says strength, and it's Psalms 28:7. So I got these two things here. Put those there. Got this for Gracie. This was $7. had a 30 count of trash bags for $7.99, y'all. They cost way more in the store for 30. And then this collar right here is a large. It's that little piece that I was saying, just soft around to the touch. I think this is 14. I hope it's not more than that. So I thought I recorded me getting this from the Rural Kings. This right here is the Fox Farm, or whatever you call it, potting soil. Yeah, it's a new soil that I want to try. I see a lot of people trying it and say it's better. I'm gonna pot my pepper seeds in it. So y'all, I am headed over to the Walmart. I'm about to do a store walkthrough video for my other channel, Tommy Bites 2.0. So if you want to see that, definitely go over there and check that out. But for this video, we are going to end it here, and I'm gonna get it edited and get this put up, and I will catch y'all up tomorrow, whether it snowed or not, unless it starts snowing before I get to edit this, and then I'll add it in here. If you don't see it, then that means it didn't start snowing yet. So yeah, I'm headed there. Please go over and subscribe to Tommy Bites 2.0 as well for news you can use. Same kind of news you've been getting on this channel, but I'm trying to move it over there and focus this channel more on preparedness and gardening and, you know, those type of things, homesteading. So yeah, let me head on over there, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. It's very snow-like weather looking out here. It's gotten colder since I left the house, so it's definitely probably, that makes sense. Bye, y'all. Hit the like, share, comment, and see you in the next one. So I thought I recorded me getting this from the Rural Kings. This right here is the Fox Farm, or whatever you call it, potting soil. Yeah, it's a new soil that I want to try. I see a lot of people trying it and say it's better. I'm gonna pot my pepper seeds in it. So
summer days, they go short.